We'd like to introduce you to Progress Engine, a powerful Salesforce application custom-built for economic development organizations. This demo is aimed to give you a quick snapshot of Progress Engine's core functionality and to demonstrate how it can help streamline processes and information exchange among many stakeholders. Let's get started. When you first log into Progress Engine, your home page displays all the recent items you've recently viewed, a dashboard that outlines all the projects you're currently working on, and your success rate, and a calendar displaying all your scheduled meetings and upcoming tasks. Let's drill into one of our tasks. As an example, here we see that United Oil Metro is thinking about relocating to our area. We've created a project for this prospect and have been tracking their information. From this data, we can see that we need to schedule an appointment. They are looking to bring 300 jobs into our area, and the average salary is going to be $75,000. We can also see that they're hoping to have about 250,000 square feet of space within their building, that they're looking to occupy this space sometime towards the end of the year, and that their decision date is mid-year. All these details are stored here in the project detail. The locations that are in consideration are downtown and the Upper West Side in the city, and they need airport and interstate access. We can also see that they have a preference for a lease with a buy option, and that they're looking for office space and need to take into consideration hazardous chemicals on their site. As we scroll down beneath this particular project, we can see the people we're talking to, who our executive sponsor is, our decision maker, as well as the site selector who is working with them on this project. We can also see that they visited the Heavenly High Rise site, which is a real estate property available in our area. We can see when they visited the site and that there was no decision made, but that the outcome was fairly positive. Now, we can drill into that development to view its details. We can see how much space is available, details of when it was completed, and the location. We can also track our own activities around this development, as well as identifying the people who are involved in this real estate development. We can see that there's a broker and contractor that we have access to here. We can also see other organizations that have looked at this property. Let's go back to the United Oil Metro office project. One of the things we're thinking about offering to them as an incentive can be captured here along the lines of a road fund. We can see the incentive amount, and if we drill into it, we can see the details of how that kind of incentive is structured, as well as the incentives that have been offered to other organizations. Again, using the oil project, let's take a look at something else. We can see that United Oil is actually considering 2 other locations. We can see their current thinking about those locations, as well as the strengths and weaknesses of those locations. We can see all of our concurrent activities that are in progress to bring this project into fruition. We can also see detailed notes and attachments related to this project, stacked up here beneath this project. Now, let's look at the company record details. When you drill into the company, you can see not only the name of the organization that we're talking to, but you can also see by clicking into the hierarchy the actual relationship of this part of the organization to the parent company, as well as other companies within this massive organization. We can see the total number of jobs at this company, as well as the industry, total square feet and number of employees they have, and jobs they will have once they locate here in this area. We can see the industry and the NAICS codes related to these industries this organization represents. Again, beneath this company, we can see all the people we have contact information for, and again, the project we're working on to relocate this organization. I'm going to click into this project one more time and drill into a single record for one of these people that we're talking to. So, if I drill into Mr. Williams' record, I can see he works for Brown Bigelow. I can see his contact information, even though he's not part of the United Oil Company. We can see that Brown Bigelow is actually working with us to help bring this project to town. So, marching across the top of the page are all the tabs related to the things that we've just discussed. The account, which is the company record, the contact, which are the people that work at that company, the projects related to those companies, the contact role, the locations under consideration, the development projects we have, as well as the advisors on those projects. Site visits that are made to those development projects, incentives offered, and NAICS codes, all those items are stored here. On any one of those tabs, we can go to and see a list of all the projects. For example, we can see their current state, as well as whether or not they've been announced. And a quick overview is from the dashboard viewpoint. So when I click on the dashboard, I can see total jobs in the pipeline, the total jobs by location, and the total jobs year to date. I can also see the status of our real estate developer and the top prospects that we're working with. All of this is available at your fingertips and available after you've downloaded Progress Engine. Thank you for watching this demo and have a great day.